Okay, so this is a plan of my next project. This was my next intended project, but then I got derailed by my mini train layout. So what I'm going to build here is a shadow frame or a shadow box. It's going to be approximately 38 inches wide and 16 inches tall, and about 2.5–3 inches deep. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to build that with a coved frame, and then put museum glass in the front. And on the inside I want to do a point-to-point, very simple layout. Obviously there's not going to be much room. Maybe a bridge, I don't know, we'll see, maybe a Ferris wheel. So I haven't really come up with a solid theme yet, so that's what I'm going to do there. Now if you look on the next page, kind of show the profile, what it's going to look like, the side profile. Okay, as you saw in the picture, I took a pallet and I took it apart, removed all the nails, and ripped it down and planed it. So these are the boards I'm left with. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12 boards. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue these together, 4 each, to make a 2¼ by 2¼ inch piece of wood. Some of these boards have cracks in them, huge gaps. You can see here. That's not going to matter. Glue it all together. We'll firm everything together, and then I will rip it down and plane it again. So I'm going to take this beat up looking wood and turn it into something that looks nice. Okay, so let me show you what I made here. So these are the rails that I'm going to use to build the frame. Okay, and I'm going to create my own detail on the side. So I'm going to create a cove, and I'm going to do that with a table saw. So I set up these guides, clamped them to my table saw, and very slowly I will raise my blade to 1 inch of to 1 inch, in which this will give me the profile I'm looking for. So let's see how this works out.